Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again, and today we're gonna go ahead and jump right on unboxing the October box, base box, and of course I have the premium box. So let's go ahead and see. It's been some time that I should have uploaded this, but I didn't tape it sooner. So here we are. So this is a boxycharm base box. So this is called the Candy Shop. As you can see here, I got variation number 73. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump on, and I'm already seeing a lot of things that I wanted to get. I got the Brazilian Kiss. This is by Sol Janeiro, and this is a tinted lip butter. Oh yeah, I do love this shade. Look at that, guys. So cute, right? Super cute. Okay, so that is what shade is this actually? Okay, it's called Keep It Real. Okay, and I love that shade, so I'm good. Okay, so this is supposed to actually hydrate your lips as well. So it is a tinted, like it says, the tinted lip butter. Okay, so this is actually worth $20. Okay, like I said, but you can get it on the pop-up for like, I think it was $6 or something like that. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Here is by Hip Dot. Okay, I needed one of these guys. So this is actually, this is so cute, little pouch, right? So this is like your makeup applicators, little sponge. So these are really nice. Okay, they feel good, they feel pretty dense. We'll see how they perform, but this is by Hip Dot, and they are worth $18. Okay, but it's cute how it comes in the little pouch. I mean, I guess they're kind of travel friendly, right? You can just keep it in here. Okay, so I'm excited about that. Okay, this one here I wanted to get. I think this was my choice. Yeah, it was. Was it my choice? Yeah, this was my choice actually. This is by Murad. This is the Hydration BHA exfoliating cleanser. So I think everyone knows this brand. Murad is pretty good. I've used a lot of their products before, and this is worth $40, guys. So this is a steal. This already paid over the box. Like you pay $25 a month for it, and you get 5 full products, so full size I meant. And yeah, so this is a massage a small amount over damp face and neck, rinse with warm water and pat dry. For optimal results, use 2 to 3 times a week. So you can use this 2 to 3 times a week to exfoliate your skin. I personally will probably use it once a week since my skin gets pretty dry, I guess. So yeah, it's pretty good. Next one is, what is this? It is by Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer. Okay, it has acai berry, Brago. You guys can read on there. I don't know, but this is what it is. I'm not familiar with this brand. This is actually worth $69, guys. So it is a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving skin with a matte finish and increasing clarity. Okay, so this will be a good thing to use like underneath after moisturizer. Normally I would still use my moisturizer, use this underneath my makeup if you don't use primer, whatnot, but it should help with that. So okay, I'm excited to use this. Okay, and then we have so that was 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have our last product in the box. So this is by Pretty Vulgar. I love their products. First of all, they have really great products. They've been stepping it up on their eyeshadows. This is worth $32, and this is the Nesting Face. Nesting Bee Face. Okay, you guys can read that, right? So let's go ahead and open it. So this is actually, it looks kind of It doesn't even have one of those little plastic little covers. Let me show you guys. It does not. So this is what it looks like. Okay, it's kind of weird, like if it's been swatched. I don't know. What do y'all guys think? It does look like it has been swatched. I don't know. To me, that is so weird, right? Like it didn't come with the little plastic little film that you get in between. Most products do have that. This one did not. I mean, however, I can see the rest of the colors haven't been touched. That one to me maybe is just the way it was set on the pan. It could just be me. But it looks really pretty. You have your highlighters and your bronzers. You have your blushes in the middle. So this is a pretty cute palette, I say. This is an everyday palette that I will use probably. You know, you can even use those as even eyeshadows, as I have on myself. I'm not using this one, but I mean, it's something that it is similar to that. So yeah, so overall I am happy with this box. Definitely happy with this box. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the premium box because I'm more excited about that one. So let's go ahead and open the premium box. Okay guys, so this is the premium box. Sorry that it's all dusty because I've had it there. Like I said, I didn't get to open it in the month of October just because we've had a busy month going on, work and everything, kids, sports. But yeah, so this is the October box, okay? And like I always like to do, I like to open them in front of you guys. So as you can see here, still has the tape. And believe me, sometimes I feel like just opening the boxes, just because I like to see what I got, even though I hadn't opened it, and you know, to film it for you guys and show you guys. But yeah, so here we are. So this is the boxycharm. Again, the theme was candy shop since it was for October. You know, trick or treat. There you go. So this is what that looks like. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna pick this up. And this is weird because usually like all lip glosses come in the little, you know, container, little box, but this is from Laura Geller. I love her products. This is nice. Look at that. So this is like a very nice color. This is a very nice color. As you guys can see, it is like a mauve pink, right? So it's yeah. So it's like a mauve-ish, pinkish nude kind of tone. Goes on with every skin tone, and this is some of my favorite ones, so I'm happy. So this is a Laura Geller. This is actually worth $21, guys, so yes. Awesome. Okay, so this next is by Kosas. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but this is what it looks like. It says tinted face oil. This is worth tinted face oil. It says tinted face oil foundation. I don't know, but we'll see. It is worth $42, guys. So this is a clean featherweight light coverage foundation and hydrating skin elixir. With application, that takes a little as 10 seconds. The breathable formula evens skin tone, minimizes pores, and erases imperfections while supporting skin health. So let's go ahead. This is, it is tone 5.5. I've never heard of this brand at all. This is what that looks like. Let me go ahead and shake it up for you guys. So you guys hear that? So this, yeah, this is probably like one of those skin tints. Like I know like Bare Minerals has one. And I tried it before. I've tried theirs before, but I wasn't a big fan because it made me oily, as I already am. So you guys can see there. Hold on. This is what that looks like, okay? It is very liquidy, okay? So that's what I'm saying, because I know the Bare Minerals one that they have is pretty much like this, and like a little bit goes a long way. So this is what that looks like. I don't know if that's even my skin tone, but I don't know. It smells kind of weird, like I don't know, like I don't know, very like oily. But it does smooth out nice, and it leaves like this like velvety finish. And I don't know, it just feels weird. At the same time, I don't know, it just feels weird. I'm gonna have to try this for you guys. Maybe I'll do pull a look using this foundation. Yeah, so I'll use this. It seems kind of dry, but then again, my hands are dry. It seems like it does sink in your lines. I don't know, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try it and see what it is, but it does say shake well before applying. So, okay, yeah, so, okay. Moving on, what did I say this was worth? $42, okay. The next product is, oh, I already opened that. Okay, so this is by Fenty Beauty. I love receiving her makeup products because they're really nice. So this says it is a ultra fine brow pencil and styler, okay? And this is in the shade dark brown. I've never used her brow pencil, but I mean, this is, if it ever comes out. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see. Okay, well, it looks like it could be like a universal tone, kind of. Okay, I like it so far. It is very thin. This is how I like my pencils to be, especially for the brows. So I'm super excited to try this out. So this Fenty brow pencil. It is actually worth $20. Okay, so yay! I like this. Next one is, okay, so we have another Murad product. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is a Murad hydrating toner. Okay, I love Murads. Like I said on the box before, their products are just the bomb. They're amazing. I love them. Okay, it says sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin. So let's go ahead and smell. So that actually smells pretty good. Okay, so I wouldn't mind using this on my face. It actually smells pretty good, guys. So this is the Murad, and it is worth $35. Okay. So moving on now. So this one here are the exfoliating swipies. Oh, look, this is pretty cool. We all need some magic swipey pad thingies. Yeah, it's cute, huh? Oh, excuse me. I literally just ate like about an hour ago. Okay, so I just opened this up, and if you can see, it does not have like one of those film covers like most of them do. I've used First Aid Beauty before. That's like my go-to exfoliating pads, and this one did not. However, it smells pretty good. It actually smells like citrus. So, okay, we'll see what these do, I guess. Okay. Our last product is the Illuminati X ISA. Okay, this is designed by Isabel Bedoya. Okay, it is a very cute palette. It's pretty nice. I love these shades up here. These are all my shades. But I mean, a lot of these I can see myself using, except these. I'm not like a very pastel, you know, eyeshadow using, or even the blues. Like, I don't know. So I don't know. I do hope that we do get another palette that can make up for this one, but we shall see. So this is actually worth, let me check, $48. Okay, I mean, would I pay $48 for this one? I wouldn't buy it, first of all, just because of the shades. I really don't tend to gravitate towards them, more like a nude palette. But anyways, guys, so I hope you enjoyed unboxing the October base box and premium box, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you. Bye.